Hello everyone, welcome to my course on setting up an Active Directory lab using Hyper-V virtualization platform. My name is Raj and I will be your course instructor. I'm a cybersecurity expert with over 18 years of experience in IT. In this course, I will show you how to set up this entire lab using Hyper-V. On the left of this diagram is my host system, which is running Windows 10 operating system with 16 gigs of RAM. My home system is connected to an ISP router which provides us internet access. To start this lab, we have to enable the Hyper-V role within our Windows 10 system, which will allow us to create the virtual machine as shown here. We will kick things off by first installing Windows 2012 Server and then a couple of client operating systems like Windows 10 and Windows 7. We will then promote our Windows 2012 to a domain controller and we will make these systems join the domain. So all these systems will be part of the same domain. We will then install pfSense, which will act as our router cum firewall, and it will be the bridge to connect our internal lab and the external network. pfSense will be provisioned with two virtual switches. One switch is connecting the internal lab and one virtual switch will connect to the host system, which will provide us the internet access. We will also see how to create a firewall rule between the external and the internal network so that the internal lab systems will not be able to communicate to our host systems. This is done to protect our host system from any viruses or malware originating from the internal labs. After finishing the initial lab setup, we will also learn about group policy objects on how to push some security related policies to the client systems. So we will be looking at how to change the wallpaper, how to create local groups, and how to enforce timeouts and enable logging on all the client operating systems. In this course, we will not be installing the Linux operating systems as shown here. Those two systems are part of another hacking course which I am creating. As part of this course, you will also receive my free 100-page manual to download and use. This manual contains all the step-by-step instructions as outlined in the video. If all this sounds interesting to you, let's start the journey and build this lab together in the next 2 hours.